It's kind of like Christmas morning. Everyone's excited. Here at Rice, and as our first years really matriculate on the campus, I'm honored that our football team can be here to help.
As a parent, I'm looking at the parents and I can see, they're dropping off their precious commodity. This is their most prized possession. And, we just want to welcome them. We want to say, welcome to Rice. You're part of the family.
It's nice to come out here and help the freshmen, get them a warm welcome on campus.
We talk about service a lot in our program, and serving your own home community starts right here.
We want our student athletes to know the students. We want the students to know our student athletes. That's going to benefit you years and years and years to come.
What advice would you have for all the freshmen moving in?
I would say definitely do your homework and stay on top of your schedule.
Go to your class, skip class.
Be on time, have good time management, be stress-free, always ask for help.
Eat a good breakfast. Hey, you heard from Big John.
I'm happy our guys are out here. They're excited to serve today. And what we're hoping is that we build this community that just flows over into what we do each and every day in our stadium. Go out.
Go out.